that. That's breaking a shop in right. So I seen this morning that Marvin from Flex Rocks and Rollovers called us out. He wants us to bring the old FJ over and go on his 24 hours to hell and back. I think we'll do it. Sounds like a good time to me.
Hey, do you think it'll make it?
I don't know, haven't seen the trail. I don't know what we're going on, but usually I've seen his videos in the past. It's pretty rough stuff they go on, so she may get some dents in her. I hope not, but maybe. We'll see.
We're up for the challenge.
Oh yeah, I think we're up for it. There's some stuff we gotta do to this thing. It's not finished. We need to boat side it still.
We gotta get
It's never been done. We got skid plates to put underneath of it. We got a ring and pinion to put in the back. We got some stuff to do, but we'll be there. All right, we're gonna work on my old forklift. I bought this thing for a good deal and knowing it had some problems we had to deal with. We've messed around. It has like a lope tune on it, basically. Like it doesn't idle smooth. It runs good when you load it. Well, it runs better when you load it. We've determined that this injection pump is the problem. So we're gonna gut this thing off of here and I'm taking it with me to industrial injection in the morning and getting a different one. So tear it out of here and see if we can make it work. That's our watering pump, huh?
It is.
Oh yeah. Cool. I probably need some filters, huh?
Probably wouldn't hurt.
Oil filter, we'll change the oil in it, and fuel filters. Maybe I'll swing into Wheeler tomorrow while I'm there.
That looks pressed on.
Probably stays in.
That comes off with this. This whole section is probably water.
Yeah, probably all pops off. There's not another bolt. Oh, there, right there.
All those four.
They got this up there. We might need another pan. Gonna get me another pan, please. Yeah, this thing's pissing everywhere. Well, it's seeping lightly because I'm holding it now.
Ben's getting the front of this pump off, so I'm getting the back of it
Look
off.
at that. That's breaking a shop in right.
Done.
First time.
She's not new anymore.
Broke her in. Injection pump is getting close. It's a little harder than we thought, but Ben's almost got it figured out.
We'll break it.
Now if we don't wait too long to put the other one back on,
And forget it.
yeah, we'll know how it went.
Take pictures, Hunter? Oh, wait, we got camera. We're all.
Hey, that one's got diesel in it.
It's a good thing.
Chugging.
There's a bucket right
Good thing
there.
we got 3 pans under it.
I'll bet it's gonna hit none of them.
That's how we roll.
Yep. Didn't even hit it.
Need a rag?
Drip dry. That thing won't just run till the tank's empty. That won't be siphoning. Look at that. That son of a gun's just running. Where's the tank at? Tank's under it. Why would it be siphoning?
It might be siphoning.
So how do we keep
Here, I'll
this?
go pull the tap.
Yeah, it needs to
There you
vent.
go. Not yet.
Negative. If Hunter blows back through it, yeah, it'd airlock
Put
it.
your lips on it and blow.
We're just gonna plug that in for a minute.
On the earplug?
Yeah,
Here you go.
electrical tape and an earplug.
Stuff that in there. Problem solved.
Boy, you know.
Earplugs to the rescue, man.
That was perfect.
You want the other one?
Well,
You
it's
gonna come back through it? Yeah, here.
well, I think that's just what's in it, to be kids.
Just plug that in there, then we know we don't get dirt in it too. And you thought they were just for hearing protection.
Huh.
Oh yeah, it's off. Just waiting on you now.
You get light?
No, I
7
gotta pull
more.
the exhaust like Sean said.
The whole exhauster?
Well, just this bracket.
Good off, we might as well weld it up.
Oh, it is leaking, isn't it?
Okay. Exhaust.
Yeah.
What size is that?
16.
Stuck?
Yeah. Spin it. We'll leave that in there too.
It didn't fall out. It's under the motor somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Was it just the clamp came off? Oh
Just
yeah.
a nut.
Just down the socket. We'll be all right.
How can I help you?
If I hold
I'm
this
gonna
up,
give it to you in just a second here.
It's like halfway off.
a little velding.
Yeah, do some patchwork.
That thing's heavy.
Yeah.
A heavy little muffler.
Now we can get the rest of the cover off.
Oh yeah, she's broken.
I'll make a couple bolts. Let's do 10. Is this fire suppression charge, you think?
You need to pull it?
No. That would be one way to test it, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I think it's just CO2.
Oh, we'd be all right.
Yeah.
Hold
Just
your
couldn't
breath.
breathe for a minute.
Hold your breath. We're used to that with burnouts. You were looking for a pull cord, weren't you?
Uh-huh.
Shouldn't have said anything. Almost there. Last couple here.
And then we get to see how it comes out, huh?
Yeah.
Uno mas more. Right there.
Oh, it was heading under the dowel. Okay. Oh, it didn't even have to pry it off. There we go.
Fancy.
It's got timing marks.
I don't need those.
We don't need no stinking timing marks. Yeah, it's definitely got some timing marks.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey.
What's for lunch today?
Well, lucky for you guys, we got some factor meals. So we got black pepper and sage pork chop.
Oh, that's mine. So you just poke some holes in the top of that thing and then you cook it, right? Mine's got 1 second left. This food has never been frozen. It's fresh packaged. They ship it to you. There's actually still ice in this box. A chunk of ice still in there. So it's actually really good.
I got cheesy bacon ranch shredded chicken, and it's pretty dang good.
So if you're too busy in the summer and you want to eat well, give Factor a try.
Got to keep my energy up with lunch to go. You can either microwave it or not, good to go.
If you want to save some money this July from takeout, go ahead and get some Factor. It's done quicker, it costs less, and it's pretty dang good.
You can choose from 34 plus chef prepared, dietitian approved weekly options.
I love it.
I just love Factor because it gets shipped right to your door and it's easy to keep your health goals. It's awesome. So head on over to factor75.com or click the link below and use code fabrats50 to get 50% off your first Factor box.
Alrighty, we got the injection pump off. It got dark on us, so I got it off of there. It's loaded. I'll head for industrial in the morning and we'll get a new one. See if we can make this forklift run. So here we go. I'm here. All there is left to do is to go grab the other pump, trade it out, and get back on the road. All right, locked and loaded. Industrial took care of me. Found me a pump. I think we're gonna make the forklift run again. Just rolling into the yard. We'll see if we can get all this stuff unloaded and get a high reach all put back together and running today. We'll see if we can do it. All right, we made her back. These guys are ready to put this pump in. So here we are. Industrial came through, had the parts we needed. So see if we can get this thing to run. Do anything on this. So, all right.
I'm glad you marked it.
It goes in like one spot and then it just falls. Just like so. Here, let me help you.
Thank you.
All right. Bolts.
Bolts. Was there a O-ring on that?
Yep, there
Okay,
is.
it is. Just making sure it's there.
Turn it. Right there. That one started.
Right where it falls in, right?
Yep. This better be what was wrong with it. All right. Pump's in. All the
That
lines
easy?
go back on.
I'm trying.
Yep. Okay, gear is back on.
Timed perfectly.
Well, I really don't think it matters, but it's right back where it was.
So that is perfect then.
Yeah. Oh, I might as well go weld this up.
I'm gonna leave these injectors just lightly cracked, because we're gonna have to bleed.
Welding in shorts. It's a terrible idea, but I'm doing it.
Okay, I'm gonna spread it out evenly. This is not coming back off. Gonna make sure I put the nipples in the right hole. Okay, one more round. Let's do the outer side.
I think she's fixed. And I'll show you all the cracks that were in it.
Holy cow.
She was cracked up pretty bad, but be good to go for a long time now. What size you need? 10?
Yeah. Which way does it go? This way.
You got the bolts somewhere, or are they?
They are all right there in the pan. Now we just gotta find the right ones. There's one, another short one.
Is there long ones?
Yep.
Long?
Let's see where that one goes.
This is how we mechanic.
That one fits.
Guesswork. That's how we roll.
That's how these are.
The question is, will we be better than the engineers? Will we have extra bolts?
Yes. Okay, now that one. Okay, hey, there's one. No. Short. Alright, just dump the load.
Yep. I still have a few more, but I'll wait and see how many more you need.
That's a medium long. Yeah, that one doesn't fit. Alright, well, give me a second on that one.
You need a medium long one?
Yeah.
I don't have a medium long one.
Oh, there's another long hole. Yep. Alright, what else you got? Let me take that one. Then we can tighten this cover up. Oh, is there one more short one? Okay. Short one.
There's a medium short one.
Oh, okay.
You need a long one.
Okay. Then we can tighten that up.
Okay, I'll tighten these up. Hang the pump back on there, or the computer?
Yeah, we have to put the computer back on. Goes behind it.
Yep,
I got
just
it.
like that.
I'm following you now. So that one has a washer
That's the washer.
that fell off.
Yeah.
So we need to put that under there somehow, huh?
Not where it needs to go.
Yeah, it probably doesn't matter.
Okay.
Center thing. And the ground got put on it?
Yep.
Perfect.
It's on it.
It's on her.
Earplugs in. Both of them have earplugs. Or they did. You pull it out.
It's this one, has it?
Oh yeah. There we go.
So that's the one.
Yep. We got to put that on and tighten it. Oh yeah. We're getting close to having a forklift. She won't steer quite yet, but it's gonna be.
Hey, anything's close to what we have.
Steering's next week. Parts show up. Then we'll change the oil, we'll service it, put a fuel filter on it, and she'll rip.
Okay, we need to get that gasket cleaned off,
Right.
and we'll put that on there. Silicone.
She is clean. I cleaned it the other day.
Oh, did you? Good.
Yep.
Right stuffer and shove her on.
Then the old water pumper.
Alright, water pump away. Need to wipe it off.
Yeah. Alright. We're going together.
gear-driven water pumper. All right, I need 2 more. Let's see that one. And there's a long one. Oh, that one goes in there. Okay, another long one. All right, we just got to put the dampener pulley on. Well, not even a pulley, it's just a spacer. Then the exhaust on, fender back on, bleed it. We're done. So almost there.
Well, how else to get out of there? I don't think it'll.
There you go. Fire in the hole.
I don't feel it.
You can hear it.
Oh, I can?
We're gonna need to figure out what happened.
Look who's here.
Who?
You.
Nobody's here.
Man.
It's not very often we get Papa Dar in here anymore.
Yeah.
That's, oh, it's an electric fuel pump.
Oh, that's the...
Yeah,
And it's not rattling.
it is not rattling.
And it's supposed to be rattling.
It was. I don't know what we've done.
We've only unhooked everything.
Fun. We'll get back to you when we figure this out.
5 minutes later.
There's an on-off switch.
Still running?
She's running.
Yeah, it's still running with the key off.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna crank it.
Okay.
Fire in the hole, baby.
Hold up.
It's the one leaking a little.
The one you can't get to. Oh, there we go. Okay, go ahead. Fire.
My gosh.
Cool. We'll finish it.
Alright, she seems to be happy. I think it's working. I think we have solved that problem. Now we got rear steer to deal with, and the coupler doesn't work up here on the front, but we'll get all of it. Eventually we'll get it all fixed and we'll have ourselves a good forklift. So I think we're good to go. So thanks for watching.